Okay, there are a lot of possibilities for different screens, you know, for the Tracer 9. I didn't try to change the screen because I said to myself, anyway, I will have to change the helmet first and then Hi to everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to RRR Refuel Ride Race. This time I would like to share my humble opinion about the difference between the old and new helmet in comparison with the stock screen. So guys, I made a video about the stock screen and the stock seat of the Tracer 9. Those of you who are interested can check it on my channel. The link it's up here. Otherwise I didn't try to change the screen because I said to myself, anyway, I will have to change the helmet first and then we'll see. Some of you, and I also listened to other older riders, said that it is also a lot about the helmet. So when you have a better helmet, I mean a very good helmet, the wind noise and let's say buffeting could be reduced for a great extent, and this is something that I tried. Okay, there are a lot of possibilities for different screens, you know, for the Tracer 9. So you have push, you have GV, you have the stock touring screen, you have Mustad, you have also other screens that could be very good, but in the same time I am 6'1", and there are also riders that are saying that you cannot do a lot because you will go or too high or you're gonna be too exposed if you are going to change for a very little sport screen. So I didn't have a lot of options, and I just bought a new helmet. So this is the HGC that I have. Now you can see the photo for those of you who are for the first time watching my channel, and this is a very quiet helmet in general. So I thought that it's gonna be also very quiet on the Yamaha Tracer 9, and in fact it is. So I made a great choice just to change the helmet because the Kaberg Drift Evo was already more than 3 years old, and I have to admit that I did a great thing. So what is the ride right now? It is a lot quieter, and I have to say that there is still some buffeting, but just let's say a small amount of buffeting, guys. So the buffeting is reduced to at least half, in my opinion, with this helmet, and the helmet is at least 20% quieter than the Kaberg Drift Evo. So that one wasn't really loud, but this one it's even better. So in my opinion there is a lot to do regarding the screens, helmets and buffeting. You just have to be, let's say, careful and try first a new helmet, guys, because anyway you're gonna need a new helmet. But if you would buy a new screen and then you would encounter the same problem of buffeting and the loudness, then what? You spend 150 euro or 150 dollars as you wish for nothing, and then you have to resell the screen to somebody else. So money for nothing, Dire Straits would say so. Anyways, now the ride it's quieter and the buffeting is reduced, and I have to be honest, I don't think of changing the stock screen. So now for me it's fine, it's more than good, I would say. I plan 2 longer trips this year, and there I will have the opportunity to test it even more, even further. So we'll see how it will perform. Till now I can only say that I am very happy with my purchase, and that I decided to go for a new helmet instead of a, let's say, new aftermarket screen. So those of you who have the HGC helmet probably know all that, but those of you who are about to change the screen, the windshield, I would say, on the Tracer 9, please consider firstly going for a new helmet, a good one, and then you will see the difference. Otherwise you will still have the possibility to get an aftermarket screen after, in case the helmet it's not gonna improve the situation. This is all, guys, this is all for now. This was my screen update video. I got a new helmet in December, and now when I tried it a bit more, I am satisfied. Those of you who are interested in my helmet review exactly of this helmet, so HGC, check it up here. It's a great helmet, but it has also some pros and cons, and I am always honest with you guys, so check it. Otherwise, this is all. Like I said, thanks for watching, guys. Please do me a favor and subscribe, and till the next one.